Hi everyone, this is Madhu here from madhufinance.com. So we are just coming out of a lockdown here in Chennai. This has been a brutal one, more ways than one, I guess. I have got COVID, haven't been able to shoot videos, so hopefully going forward we will have regular content for all of you. But one thing I wanted to talk about is how can manufacturing companies operate post-COVID in a way where they can sustain and grow for the future. All right, so this is something a lot of my clients have been asking. So I want to keep it short, make sure you get the points, but we will cover all of these in detail in subsequent videos. The first thing to think about is if you are a manufacturing firm and for some reason or the other, there is a slump in demand. Think about if you have multiple units, think about which unit costs the most to operate per unit. So if you're manufacturing a vehicle, what is the cost per vehicle in terms of manufacturing across your various units? And shut down the most expensive ones. Shut down the most expensive ones. This is critical. Conserve capital. Okay, this is very critical. And whenever the demand comes back, it will come back. That's going to be at some point this post-COVID boom. And at that time, this cash is going to be very, very important and useful to grow and keep this cash for starting a unit in a place which is cheaper, where you can actually sustain a lower cost. The next thing is make sure you grow aggressively, right? Expand. What we have seen during the pandemic is the bigger companies getting bigger and the smaller ones struggling, right? So as an MSME, if you are an MSME, my advice is to see how you can be aggressive in terms of growth, even if it comes at a lower margin. Make sure you can grow and expand your market share. This is going to be very important in the future. Scale up. Scaling and efficiency should be your biggest focus. This is also important when it comes to my third point, which is do things that are more sustainable. A lot of people I've seen talking about furloughs, cutting costs, cutting wages, but they are very short term in nature. They are not sustainable. Maybe some of this is necessary and you might have to do it, but think about real transformation, not reactive changes. Real transformation. See how you can save cost in terms of rents. Maybe a lot of people are working remotely, they are used to it. See if you can digitize a lot of the interactions. Things of that nature which are real long-term sustainable transformation. All right. So these 3 points, keep in mind. I will cover more of these and these in more detail and how to execute on them. All the very best. This is Madhu from Madhu Finance signing off.